Ellery Creek Campground in Northern Territory, and I have beef brisket tonight in the camp oven. So this is just under 1 kilo. So I'll just give you a rundown. I don't use anything fancy. Barbecue ribs, basically from Woolworths I think, and Master Food Smoky. I'll sacrifice a beer to go in it, but I'll show you that a bit later. But if you get a night before, or at least an hour, open up the packet and dry it off and just season it with the rub and just leave it for an hour in the fridge, or overnight is pretty good, to be honest, probably better. So we'll probably just have mashed potatoes or some chips or something. So I'm just drying that off. Now just rub on the seasoning, pretty liberal. It's not too spicy, this one, so it's not too bad for the kids. And that's it for the first half. So it's not hard in any of this stuff. So just a little bit time consuming in terms of the slow cooking. So that goes back in the fridge, to the bowl, and I'll show you for the next bit. Left it for about an hour and a bit. I'm going to seal it off over on the camp oven, which I'll take it over there and show you. And then we're just going to add the smoky barbecue. I'm going to rinse the bottle out with some water and some beer, but I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, so I've got my grill plate here in the camp oven. Just warming up the camp oven. So it's all like a normal oven at home. It's best to preheat it. I'll seal that off. And yeah, just to show you the camp oven, put a foil liner in there because I'm a bit lazy on cleaning up. So that will capture most of the juices, but also let it reduce down a little bit better in there, and I can take that out easily and clean it. Alright, I'll seal this off and then I'll put it in the camp oven and show you after it's done. Got the camp oven preheated in there. Put that in there, sealed. Add my smoky barbecue marinade. So over the top. Sacrifice a can of beer. Don't have to, you can have beef stock or water. And I'll just rinse out the rest of this bottle, so about half. Not to waste the marinade. So that's it in there, full of liquid. I'll put the lid on it. Sealed. And leave it for about 3 hours. Now, okay, here we go. So you see the sauce is basically simmered down and the meat's cooked a few hours later. 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so about 3 hours, 4 hours. What I'll do now is I'll take that out and I'll wrap it up in foil and let it rest for a bit while I do the rest of the meal. Brisket, I'll just wrap that up, foil, and let it rest. I'll put it in a warm place, so I'll put it back on top of the oven and let it rest there in the foil. Keep it warm, and then the sauce we'll reduce, and I'm doing other veggies and that, we'll go for it. But pretty much, once it's rested for a couple of hours, I'll double boil it actually. Be a good thing to keep it eating. You can wrap it in a tea towel as well, keep it hot. But I'll put that back on the camp oven next to the fire, so it'll keep warm, and that'll be it. I'll see you when I start serving. Hey, thanks for watching. If you want to check out the places we visited for yourself, there's more information in the description below. Hit the trailer icon to subscribe, and here are some more of our camping adventures.